Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash. Today we're going to sit down and we are going to do our very first top box subscription unboxing, or yeah, I guess it's like a little circle box. So if you're curious to see what I got in top box, some more information about top box and all that kind of fun stuff, then make sure you just keep on watching. So to start with, you guys, Topbox, I believe, is a Canadian subscription service. I do believe they still only ship to Canada, as far as I'm aware anyways. This box retails, it says on the website $12, but I believe it's actually up. I believe I'm paying $13, or maybe it's 12 plus tax, and it comes out to about 13. Free shipping. So this is a lot cheaper than Ipsy. So for Ipsy I was paying about $25 a month Canadian after the exchange rate, shipping costs, all that kind of stuff. Whereas this I'm only paying $12. With Topbox you get 4 sample size products in the box each month. So let's just read how it works. So you order, subscribe for $12 a month. Your top box will be shipped on the 15th of each month. Use your products and give us your feedback. Let's just go ahead, I guess, and start digging in. I did, of course, already go through everything. I applied everything on my face, so I will insert clips in here while I apply everything and all that kind of fun stuff, the things I did apply. Let's go ahead and open up. So like I mentioned, you do get 4 sample size products in the box each month. Now it does come in this like round, almost like a time capsule maybe that you would put in the ground when you were kids. But you could store even like old pasta and stuff within your pantry in here. Would be really cute with something like this. So I'll definitely keep this box for storage. The first thing in the box that I noticed I obviously haven't used yet, and this is a complimentary sample, so this is like an extra product, is this Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Kind to Skin Cleansing Facial Wipes. This removes waterproof mascara as well, and it just comes with the one, I believe, in here. So I'm going to use this tonight to remove my makeup, and I'll let you know in the comments down below what I kind of think about this wipe, if it removes my makeup well. See how it goes. Now it also came with this little simple booklet all about the brand, I believe, and some coupons and things like that. And it also just comes with a card that says Topbox, and it shows you what kind of they're offering right now. So with Topbox, like I said, you pay about $12 a month for this service, free shipping. And then by the sounds of it, now this is kind of confusing online because they don't go into a lot of detail on their website. I believe every month or so they come out with like limited edition boxes where you can kind of see what's in the box and purchase that box in particular. So right now it says the Kit Beauty box, and it has, looks like some mascara, some nail polish, just a bunch of different things, and you can buy that for $49, it looks like, online right now. Like I said, I don't know much about this. This is my first month with the subscription, so I'm still kind of learning everything. One thing to note is I did not get an email. All I did was I got an email when I signed up, which was kind of confusing on the signing up aspect of it. And then I got an email saying you subscribed. I never got an email saying it shipped or a tracking number or anything like that sent to me. I just kind of showed up at my door. So I was kind of wondering like if it was going to show up or what was going on, but I got it. Okay, so first sample I got in the box, or in the, yeah, it's a box. There's this Delectable Super Blend Beautifier Body Butter Cream. So this is whipped, rich, and fluffy, it says. Shea butter, oranges, tangerine, and grapefruit oils. It has no parabens, phthalates, let's try this. I didn't try this. This product does have a safety seal compared to the other couple products that I tried. It smells good. So this is just like you can put this anywhere. I've been really dry, so body butters are very good for me right now. We just got back from camping yesterday. We went out to celebrate our 1-year anniversary, me and my husband. We went for the weekend. It was a new trailer that we haven't taken out yet. It was just purchased about a month ago, and we got there, plugged in, like nothing works on it. Fridge doesn't work, furnace doesn't work, the lights don't work. The only thing that works is the like electrical plugins. So Justin's gonna have to fix the trailer all weekend. He's gonna be busy with that next weekend. He's an electrician, thank God, so he can kind of go in there and fix the electrical bit. Gotta love it. Private sales, you never know what you're gonna get. Moving on, we have this Elizabeth Arden. This stuff smells really good, actually, you guys. I really like the smell of that. Okay, next. This is the Elizabeth Arden Superstar Skin Renewal Booster. So it says smooth onto clean face day and night before applying serum and moisturizer. It doesn't really have any claims on the actual bottle, but it did come in this little like pamphlet, I guess. So it's supposed to restore the healthy look of your skin's essential surface layer, fortifying its natural ability to reappear or repair and renew healthy look. So I guess it's just supposed to bring the healthiness out in your skin. Elizabeth Arden is an expensive brand, so I'm excited to get this in the box. I actually liked it. It felt really nice going onto my face. It felt good, actually. Of course, I'll have to use it a couple more times, although there's not much product, but I'll have to use it a couple more times to get my full opinion on it. I am happy though, because Elizabeth Arden is quite pricey. I would not have purchased this myself. One thing to note though is this did not have a safety seal on it, so when I opened it there was nothing in there, but yeah, just to let you guys know, this did not have a safety seal on it. Second last thing in the box this month. I was super excited for this. We got a Glam Glow Water Burst Hydration Glow Moisturizer. You guys, this felt so good on the face. It's like this blue color moisturizer. If you can see it, it's just on the tip of my finger there. And it just felt so smooth and hydrating going onto my face. So I applied the serum, the Elizabeth Arden serum, and then I applied this on top of it. And I feel like everything applied really nice over top of it. I didn't use a primer or anything, just those two. I love when I talk and I'm not in focus. Just those two, but I felt my skin was really moisturized when I went in. I really like it, and I'm excited to try this Glam Glow. Even though it's just a little guy, I'm excited to try this a little bit more and see how I like it. Last thing this month is this Tarte lip paint, and this is in the shade FOMO. Is that the shade name? FOMO? Fear of Missing Out? Oh my god, my dog, Philly, if you guys have been here for a while, you've probably seen him in a couple videos. I always laugh at him because he has such bad FOMO, like such bad. He does not have separation anxiety, like he's fine. We'll leave the house, he doesn't like freak out, he doesn't attack the house, he doesn't do anything crazy. He doesn't have separation anxiety, he just has a fear of missing out so bad. And it's so funny, like I make fun of him all the time because of it. It's so funny. But anyways, I believe this shade is called FOMO from what it looks like on the bottom. Obviously what I have on my lips, and it's actually this beautiful, I thought it was definitely going to pull more purple than it did, but you could, it's almost like a deeper nude. This would look beautiful with just like a winged liner, some big lashes, and like bronzer and stuff in the summer. I really like this shade for the summer. I have something similar to this. I believe one of my ABH liquid lips is very catsuit, is it? Or Allison? It's very similar to this color. Off the top of my head, I can't think. I'd have to go run downstairs, but I really like this color, and I really like this formula as well. I have a couple of these little mini sample guys, and I really like the formula of this. They dry down, they don't dry out my lips too much, and it's an overall good formula. What I will do, because this is my first video, I'm sorry it's a little bit weird, not weird, but if it sounds a little kind of everywhere, it's because this is the first box. I'm still getting used to it. I have to figure out their website a bit more. I feel like their website's designed a little bit poor. Like it's hard for me to really, from the couple times I've been on it, I can't really find my subscription when I log in. Like it says I don't have a subscription with them, but clearly I do. So I'm gonna have to figure that out a bit more. Maybe I'll have some more information for you next month. Overall, for $12 a month, I really enjoyed this. And they are sample products, and you're only getting 4. But for $12 a month, you're getting one less. I was paying like $25 a month with Ipsy. I mean, that's almost $15 difference for one product. It's not, $25 was not worth the sample products, $12 maybe. So I'm going to stick with this for a few months and see how it continues. See if you guys maybe want to see like one of those bigger boxes where you can buy like a bigger box. I could look in and see what they have in the next few months and see if anything piques my interest, and maybe I can do a review on one of those as well. I also heard somewhere that every once in a while you can charge your subscription an additional $10, and then they'll send you one full-size item with your box, I believe. Like I said, still kind of learning everything about the subscription. It's new. I hope to have some more information for you guys next month. But definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoyed this video. And let me know what other subscription services you guys have tried that ship to Canada, equivalent to about that $10 to $20 price range. Like I said, I might only do this for a couple months and then switch to something else, so let me know, what do you guys love? Obviously, besides Box-O-Charm and Ipsy and Top Box, is there anything else out there that's good? You get good stuff? I really want to try Cult Crushes, I believe is called, but they only ship to the States right now. They don't ship to Canada, so I'm hoping they open up and start shipping to Canada soon, because I would love to try them. I watch their videos of people doing their unboxings and reviews of them all the time, and I love the stuff that they're getting. So hopefully maybe one day they'll ship to us too. Until then, we're gonna stick with Top Box for a little while anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I was a bit weird today. I got my period, TMI. Got my period today. I've been a little bit weird and like periody, but it is what it is, I guess. We will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.